Hello students, good morning. It is Miss Tanya and I am here to tell you about the informal letter, notice and email. So first let us move with informal letter. See children, you have to remember informal letter means friendly letter. Here you need to have one address, that is sender's address you have to write. Then you have to leave a line. This all should begin from the margin, after the margin. Then date, then again leave one line, salutation. Salutation means dear. Okay, body of the letter, leave one line, then yours affectionately. Remember children, in formal letter yours faithfully and informal yours affectionately. That is must. And your first name you have to write. This you have to remember. Now next what you have to remember, that is of informal letter, as I have given you. That is example, sender's address house number 287B Ramnagar Gorakhpur, leaving line 12th May 2020. Dear Rani, body of the letter including first, second, third para, which will include the introduction, the reason, the advice, the suggestions, whatever you want to give. Friendly letter, but doesn't mean that you will just make it in a lengthy way. It should be brief. Then leaving one line, yours affectionately. Again I am saying you have to learn only one thing. In informal write yours affectionately, informal write yours faithfully. And your first name, like in formal we have written the complete name Neha Singh, here we will write only the first name. Okay, now next is notice. Notice and email is of 5 marks, compulsory question. Now here in notice, first you have to write the creative heading. Whatever the question given, you have to make a creative heading. It should be in English word. Okay, it will be of 1 marks. Then the main heading, which means the main heading is from the question. If it is your school is conducting an inter-school singing competition, so inter-school singing competition will be the main heading, and creative heading, song of songs, melody, whatever, that is the creative heading. Date, time, venue. Date and time needs half marks. Time should be from and to. Venue should be from smaller to bigger. Smaller means, for example, in the hall of Carmel School. Carmel School is big, hall is in Carmel School. So in smaller is in the hall of Carmel School. So half marks for in and half marks for off. So if any one you are not writing, you will not get any marks. Okay, audience means which classes to participate, classes 9 to 12, and for what purpose, whom to give the name, that is audience. 2 to 3 lines you have to write, that is of 1 marks. If you are writing the complete thing, you will get complete 5 marks. Then is email. Email all contains half marks. First two email ID means to whom you are writing. Okay, to or that email ID you have to write. Subject, what the purpose you are writing. See, notice and email will be interconnected. If you are writing a inter-school singing competition, then email will be to invite a judge for it or a chief guest. It will be interconnected. Dear sir or madam, whatever. If the two judge, okay, or 1 or 2 more, then if one is male, one is female, whatever it is, then both you will write dear sir or madam or dear sir. Then opening line means I would like to invite you, or I would like to tell you or inform you, whatever, or we are organizing, whatever, that is half mark. Same notice, date, time and when you will put up here, either in paragraph or same way. Okay, that will contain the same marks, half, venue, half plus half. Closing line means we are just anticipating for your positive reply, or we are waiting for your arrival. That will be the closing line. Then you will end up with yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, as you have done in the letter, same way it will be yours faithfully. That will contain half marks and the name. If in the question the name is given, you are so and so, you are the head boy of the school, then same name you will write. If the name is not given, then your own name you will mention here. So these are the marking scheme which you have to remember according to the board pattern. All the things what I have given yesterday and today you have to note down in your copy. First, the structure of formal letter, what yesterday I gave. Then the structure of informal letter, example of formal letter, example of informal letter. Now the structure of notice and email. This if you will note down, it will be clear. Then in next lecture I will give you an example of notice and email with the question. I hope you understood. Thank you.